Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this tutorial. And as you know, I've started this series of introducing the new NPM packages which you might use in your development process. So today I came across this React Native, sorry, not React Native, React Awesome Reveal. So this is not React Native package, this is React package. Okay, so let me just show you the demo. If I just refresh this, as can be seen, there are different kind of examples we can see on the UI over here. So this is the one of the best and easiest animating package which I came across. So if you want to use the fade animation, you have to put the stuff, put entire data instead of this fade text. Then if you want to give the zoom animation, this is basically the zoom in effect. See, you have to put it over here. Then this is the slide animation. This is the slide from the left. As can be seen, it came from the left. And next I'm having this bounce animation. It will be giving it bounce, as can be seen. And this is like likewise there are like a lot of animations which I have put over here inside of this text. So you just have to import these text and you have to use them over here. And if you want more information on this, you can go and check out this npm package on their web in the npm repository, and you'll get more details and more information on it. So thanks for watching. This is all about React Awesome Reveal. So this is yet another npm package which you could use for animation purpose. If I come across more such packages, I'll be introducing you guys to those packages on my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing because subscription is free. And by the time you can go and check out my other tutorials, I might have already made more such videos on some npm packages. You can go and check them out. Thanks for watching.